So usually after planting day, there is a lot of utensils to be washed because we had quite a number of people helping us to plant, and that is just exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm washing the utensils so that we are ready for the same process again tomorrow. You can see we have a lot of cups here and some of the plates that we used for githeri, so I'm trying to multitask. I rinse and of course put them on the shelf. Then in the spirit of multitasking, hi Kayol, in the spirit of multitasking, I'm also making githeri for tomorrow. So this is githeri that we are going to put on the fire so that we use it for feeding our the people that are helping us in the shamba tomorrow. This is the fire. Yeah, so it is in waiting. As soon as I'm ready, I'll put the githeri in one of the sufurias that I'm washing outside. Yeah, so that is it. When you want to become a farmer, you have to be prepared to go the whole 9 yards. You do not want a team that is helping you working on an empty stomach. So that is just what I'm doing right now. Over here. looks like the mother of all storms is building up. There's a bit of heavy clouds over there, but and some over here also, though there's a lot of wind. I think it may clear. Yeah, but as far as the utensils is concerned, I'm done with the cups. I'm almost done with the plates now, and then I'll check on my githeri. Also, I have not bathed. I'm just looking the way I came from the shamba. A lot of mud and clay. Yeah, but I need to finish with the utensils first, and then of course in between I'm making sure that the fire is well lit, because this githeri also has to be ready by at least by the time you're going to sleep.